Hi folks, I wanted to make a quick tutorial regarding how you will access our first online class meeting. Here is your Blackboard shell, and on the left-hand navigation bar you'll see a link that says online class meeting. You'll click on this link and it will bring you to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Now you see this next link called Course Room. You'll click on the course room and you can see in the right hand side, if you are unable to access via internet or don't have the bandwidth, you can dial in. There's a call-in number here. Or if you're on the internet, you can click Join Course Room. This is web-based. You do not need a separate application. So when I click on here, it brings me to a new tab. And it will join you. Okay, I'm the only person in the room right now. When you join, your volume and camera are automatically off. Down on the bottom, you can see my cursor. It says share audio, so if you do want to talk, you have to unclick your microphone. And be sure to keep your mute off, or sorry, your mute on, or in other words, your audio off when we meet as a group. If you want to turn your video on, I am not requiring this for this class for the remainder of the semester. You would click share video, and when you share now, there I am. I can share my video, and now you can see me talking. So I'm going to turn that off. I am in a dark room. Turn the video off. If you have a question, this is the easiest way that I'm able to see your question. You click raise hand and it will show me your name with your raised hand. So those are the primary tools I wanted to show you. I'm going to move my screen over a little bit more. Also on Ultra, you will see I'm not going to require you to upload documents, but in the very bottom right-hand corner, you'll see Open and Collaborate panel. And this is where your chat options are. So this first one, this bubble that's highlighted, this is where I can say, hello class. I can chat and it will appear. Okay, so you're welcome to chat and communicate during our open class times, or if you want to ask questions that way. This is attendees, so if you click on that, it will just show you who is attending. See that. At this point, you don't need to worry about these other two formats. This is for sharing content and your settings. You may want to check your settings if you're unable to hear me. I'm going to unraise my hand. On the settings, you can check your speaker volume. You can adjust it, but keep it up. Set up your camera and microphone. Click here. This just allows you to check your own microphone. So you can talk, and if the purple light shows up, that is good. I'm not going to do, oh, there we go. My camera's okay. Those are primarily the only things you're going to need to use for settings, just to double check. And note, if you want to close out of here, you can close it. During our sessions, during our sessions, you will likely not need to use those tools, except the chat. That may be useful. All right. And then when you want to exit, you just close your browser window. I can exit out up here. I also can, this is also your session menu on the left-hand top side, which actually you can find out more about Collaborate Help will bring you to the website. So that's another option for help. All right, so I'm going to close out of there and go back to the Blackboard course shell. You can access this at any point in time. This is not open only during class time. So this is actually where we will also meet if you need to meet with me online or during office hours. This will also be the course room that's available during office hours. So if you want to test this out, you are welcome to go ahead prior to class time just to test your microphone and see how it works. I also want to point out, actually that's all I'm going to point out for now. So that is how you will be accessing your online class meetings, which are identified on the revised syllabus. Thank you.